Have you ever wondered if baking soda, the same one in your kitchen, can actually help your plants grow healthier? Yes, baking soda is one of the simplest, cheapest natural remedies for plant care. And today, I'll show you exactly how to use it. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about an amazing plant hack, baking soda fertilizer and pest control. Safe, natural, and very effective. Plants often get white powdery fungus, yellow spots, or leaf rot. To stop this, take 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 liter of water, 1 teaspoon of mild liquid soap. Mix it well and spray it on all affected leaves, top and bottom. This kills fungus, prevents further spread, and keeps leaves clean and shiny. Use this spray once every 7 to 10 days. Method 2. If tiny ants, aphids, or mealybugs are troubling your plants, sprinkle just a light pinch of baking soda on the soil. It disrupts their activity and keeps your plants safe without chemicals. Be careful. Never add too much, or it may harm the roots. Method 3. Want greener leaves? Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda to 1 liter water and spray it lightly on leaves once a month. It makes plants look fresh, green, and healthy. Try these simple baking soda tricks and watch the magic happen in your garden.